Hi everyone, welcome to this section on being on the alert. Often people think of the things that they don't want in life. People become anxious and worried, and they think that being on the alert will prevent bad things from happening in their life. Unfortunately, this kind of thinking also activates the law of attraction. The process of manifesting the things you want to appear in reality is not complicated, but it is not completely easy as well. The complication arises from the nature of the law of attraction. For example, if you keep saying, I don't want to lose my promotion, eventually the determination that follows this negative thinking will attract a negative outcome, and the law of attraction does not shift through our various emotions and intentions just to please us. If your mind focuses on negative things, the law of attraction will give you negative things. And with the law of attraction, negative outcomes will repeatedly arrive in your doorstep if the conditions are just right, if you keep thinking of negative things. In short, negation is not an effective way of tapping into the power of the law of attraction. Here are some of the examples of what people think and what the law of attraction actually processes and attracts. Thought, I don't want to have a bad day. Transmitted, I really want to have a bad day. Thought, I don't want to lose my promotion. Transmitted, I want to lose my promotion. Thought, I don't want my computer to break down. Transmitted, I want my computer to break down. So you need to be very alert with your thoughts. If you are thinking negative thoughts, the law of attraction will take the same and it will try to happen it in reality. So please be on the alert. That's all we have in this section. Stay tuned. We'll catch you in the next section.